Just applied for a job role in Amazon or any other multinational companies, and it is asking for a secure exam browser and assessment to complete it. But wait a second, you have a MacBook or Mac machine, and the secure exam browser will only work in Windows 8 or 10 or even 11. It might work in that. What? Wait here, you can see that it will work on Windows 8 or 10 only, and you have a Mac machine. What to do now? Now you can also try it in virtual machine, but wait a second, virtual machine will also not work. I have tried that and it just won't work. But don't worry, I have got a solution for you, and I'm gonna tell this uh, I mean tell this in this video. So what you need to do is just go to description of this video and go to the link that I provided. Now when you will go to the link, it will say Accenture on this page, but don't worry, this will work for Amazon or any other company that requires you to download secure exam browser. Now do not Google for this app, because there are a lot of scamming apps, and there is another app with almost same name called Safe Exam Browser. All right, do not download that. Now when you will go to this page, you just need to download secure exam browser for Mac. Since I have already downloaded this, I'm not going to download this again. Now once you have downloaded this, it will ask you for a lot of permissions. Give them all the permissions in settings and allow everything. When you will open the app first time, it will ask you for the update, so let the update happen. It will download a new version. Now this one is update 106. Now when the update is complete, it will download automatically secure exam browser version 107 in your downloads. All right, so when it is downloaded, double click on it and then drag and drop in applications folder. All right, now since I already installed it, I'm not gonna do this. Now once it is completed, you will see that secure exam browser is installed. Now once it's installed, now I can show you by opening it, but it will stop the screen recording, and I don't want to do that. So for now, you just trust me. All right, so once the secure exam browser is downloaded and updated, you go to your exam link that is provided and click on proceed to test, then launch test and open secure exam browser, and this will work for you like it worked for me. I just completed my assessment like 30 minutes ago, and it worked without any flow, and also my exam was great, and so will be yours. Best of the luck for your assessment, and also if you think that this was helpful, then do hit that subscribe button. That will be my reward. And thanks, have a great day.